Today we're going to review Ruwac's explosion-proof accessory packages. They come in multiple different packages. This is our 1.5" tool package. It comes with a very flexible bonded and grounded conductive hose. That means that all the components of this are made out of a conductive material. They are food-grade polymer as well, and there's an internal grounding system on there as well to ensure that you're fully grounded with a redundant source of grounding. The hose is extremely flexible, very easy to use and maneuver. The hose is going to come with a reducer. The reducer is going to allow you to plug the hose into it very simply, and then you have a button lock on there that goes into the inlet of your Ruwac vacuum. So that's how you're going to securely connect that hose. Nice thing about that connector is it allows you to rotate, so the hose as it's moving around isn't going to get kinked in your hand. The other end of this is going to allow you to run the tools that comes with the package. Our standard package comes with a Crevice Tool. You can use that directly in the end of the hose if you'd like. It does come with a 3" round brush. This 3" round brush has conductive bristles as well. You'll see that the bristles are nice and stiff. They also won't suck into the machine, so the vacuum is very powerful. A lot of tools will suck in. This one allows complete openness, so when you're vacuuming, you can get big material through there. And the last tool it comes with is a floor tool. This is an all-metal floor tool with a high visibility yellow tool brush. This brush is also a food-grade polymer as well. And you do get your 1.5" wand. Your 1.5" wand simply is going to plug in just like the tool does to the end of the hose. The end of the wand has a tool coupler. The tool coupler is going to allow you to put any one of the tools in there, like the floor tool or the round brush. You can tighten it, and then what you do is you tighten it all the way up, and then you just give it a little quarter turn so it can still rotate. So as you're vacuuming the floor, you can get this thing underneath places. It's very easy to move. So the tool packages are available with 10 feet of hose or 25 feet of hose. Most popular is 25 feet, depending on your application. We do offer an upgraded package. It would be all the same materials, the hose, the wand, the dust brush, and also the crevice tool, except we replaced the tool with the brushes for a tool with rollers. A lot of people like to use this when they have a large area on the floor. This tool is all a fully conductive rubber tool, and it comes with conductive bristles as well. So you can swap out the rubber for conductive bristles if you want to put bristles on there. So all of our explosion-proof packages are available for any one of our machines. And this has been a review of our explosion-proof vacuums for both Class 2 Div 2 as well as Class 2 Div 1 and 2 applications.